Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to send files in Skype application. So how to send files in Skype applications? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, here we enter the Skype application on our computer or laptop. Here I will give you some ways to send Skype files. Here, just go to the chat menu and enter the chat with our friends. Now here you are in the chat display. To send files, point the cursor to the bottom right of the chat screen. Here there is an Add Files icon. Tap the Add Files icon. Here we will be directed to our computer's Windows folder. Here enter the folder where the file will be sent, and select the file to be sent. Then press Open. Now here it is visible in the chat before it is sent. For example, we will add more or send more than one file. Here tap the Add icon. Here we will be directed to our computer's Windows folder. Here enter the folder where the file will be sent, and select the file to be sent. Send it. On the right tap icon Send Message. Now here the file has been sent to our destination contact. The second way is, we first zoom in on the appearance of our Skype application. Then go to the Windows folder of our computer. Then move the position next to Skype. Then select Enter the folder where the file will be sent. Tap the file to be sent, and drag it to Skype like I did here. Now here it is visible in Skype. Now to add files or send more than one file. Do the same thing as before. After finishing, tap Send Message to send the file. Now here the file has been sent. The function of sending files in Skype is to make it easier for users to share documents, images, videos, or other files via chat. This feature is useful for sharing information, supporting team collaboration, and sharing personal moments such as photos or videos, so that communication becomes more practical and efficient. So that's it. Tutorial how to send files in Skype application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.